In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Gmail website using an internet browser. This is a fundamental skill for accessing your emails, whether you're checking personal messages or staying on top of work-related communication. Let's get started by ensuring that you have a web browser ready. While most people might use Google Chrome, the steps we're covering today will work with any browser you prefer. So, go ahead and open your chosen web browser now. Once your browser is open, we're going to navigate to the Gmail website. In the address bar, you'll want to type in the URL www.gmail.com. This is the universal URL that will direct you straight to the Gmail login page. After entering the URL, simply press enter on your keyboard, and you should now see the Gmail sign-in page ready for the next steps. On this page, you'll find a field asking for your email address. Here, you'll need to type in your complete Gmail address. It's important to make sure that you enter your email correctly, so take an extra moment to verify you haven't made any typos. Once you're confident that your email address is correct, look for the next button on your screen. Click it, and this will prompt the next step in the login process. Now that you've successfully submitted your email address, you'll be asked to enter your password. This step is crucial for securing your account, so ensure that you're entering your password accurately. If you think you might have trouble with this stage, a little tip is to check your keyboard settings or try typing your password in a separate document just to check for accuracy before entering it directly into the password field. Double check your input before proceeding, and when you're ready, have a look for the next button once more. Clicking Next will attempt to log you into your Gmail account. If everything's been entered correctly, you should find yourself on your Gmail homepage where all your emails are stored. From here, you can read, compose, and organize your emails as you see fit. It's that easy. As you can see, accessing your Gmail account through a web browser is straightforward once you know the steps. Practicing this a couple of times will make you quicker and more efficient, saving you time in the future. That concludes our quick guide today. Now you're ready to access Gmail whenever you need it from any device with internet access. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!